Hi, I'm Dhruv, and today's topic is virtual reality evolution. So we can start with how VR went from a dream to a reality. So we can start with what is virtual reality. So in this session, the goal of the virtual reality is to trick someone's brain into believing something unreal is real. So today's we are refer to computer generation imaginary and hardware design to create a simulated environment that gives an impressive experience. This concept is developed by first Charles Watson, but it's not come into reality by the Watson in 1950 to 1960. The in 1956, the Morton Helling it's building one Saramara. This is developed by the cinematographer, and this used for the 3D design, wide vision, motion, color, stereo sound, aromas, wind, and vibrations, and is also used for the 3D displaying, isolating fans, small generated, and the vibrating chairs. And after that, 1970 to 1990, it's gone more developed in 1970 more companies being producing VR devices. For example, General Electric produced a computerized flight simulator in 1972 with the three screens to give trained pilot a feeling of the true impression. In 1976, the other one is interactive VR system was created with video plays. It used a mix of CG, light projection, camera, and screen of the major user portion. And further, the McDonald's Corporation also use a VR. It's MHD is also used right now also. And in 1979, Stereo Graphics create Stereo Vision glasses also. And after that, the NASA is also interested in 1989 and commissioning a VR system to help train their astronaut. As a result, the virtual interface environment workstation system combination a head mounted device with the glow to enable the haptic interaction coming close to a completely impressive experience. In 2010, the Oculus is also building a more interactive VR, and this VR is also used in the more in the future. It's a modern graphics because of its power to render two different high resolution images in real time that could be fed into the VR HMD. And as the result, in 2012, Lucky and the Oculus for the become the one of the most successful rising company ever, and also raising the 2.4 millions. And Facebook also buys Oculus in $3 billion in 2014. In by 2016 and 17, hundred of companies like HTC, Google, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Sony, and Samsung being developing their own VR headset. Throughout 2010, industry being tapping into the virtual reality, such as the medical field for training surgeons, the wellness fields for leading meditation, and the military fields for training pilots. Today, the cost of VR is have dropped, and many advances have quickly come out, such as wearable technology, scanning, finger tracking, eye tracking, and mixed reality. The virtual reality craze and innovation do not seem to be slowing down in this evolution. For example, Apple's new headset is rumored to have several cameras and sensor enables on the external chassis so that it can process input from the real world environments. Startups over technology is even putting smells in the VR also. Now we can go on the future how we can involve virtual reality in the construction industry. So VR is being used improving design safeties and to improve costly overruns in the uh, this industry, and also use the 3D design models for construction and building, and also use it for architecture to how we can build the environment. After that, we can go on the manufacturing industry is also booming in that, and it's all helping for the improving work safety, and also plant manager to simulate assembling fine configuring and process involvement in production, which allows the identity potentially dangerous situation. And after that, we can go on the automobile industry. It's also booming in this to help design and develop of vehicle, user to vehicle prototype. And North America is the largest right now the shareholder in this industry, and Germany is the biggest market in this industry. And after that, the pharmacy is also helping in the VR, so helping provide medical trainings for the solution common scenarios that can be arise in the physical setup for and also used in education for the who is not interested in education is also interested after the VR, and is also used for the sports who is the lazy people to so people help VR is helping for the that. And after that, the gaming industry is also now the booming the VR, and everyone knows how VR industry is enjoying the lot in the people for everywhere. Yeah, that's from my side. Thank you.